and I have the Wethepeople volta stock bike 2011. I have obviously spacebar bars. I have the fly forks, the Wethepeople spring sprocket, and salt cranks and salt bottom bracket. I have the animal pedals, and I have the salt bolt in the back, and I have the E-class pegs, and I have the E-class rim, two E-class rims with the E-class bolts and the salt hub, and I have the stock chain, and I ride with 20.15 back rod tube tire, and I ride with a 20.15 Wethepeople grip front tire, and I have a soft stem with a soft plus headset, and I have the E-class seat, integrated seat post combo, I have the soft grips, and that's about the frame.
You're on frame!